we are working with these three colors. This blue, dark blue, this dark purple, and this almost black for the branches I make. So I found this picture on Pinterest, and it is very beautiful watercolor picture, and I wanted to recreate and to show to you. So we will take much of this blue and we will put it on the paper with much water. So we will take like this, and on dry paper we will put it like this. Much water. So here we adding this blue. We pulling water and pigment down, and we adding more of this beautiful blue, and here down. Then more of this blue, we doing like this. Now we're adding water here and here, and we're adding this beautiful purple inside. So like this. And now we're adding rest of this dark blue right here. So this paper is not really for, that's why I need to take away a bit of water. And add some more purple and this beautiful blue. Now we will leave it to dry. So see how we have here some happy accidents. And now we will take this almost with no water, and we will paint branches. So we can start maybe here. Little bit of bigger down, and now these little ones. And now this side, because we have side here some big ones. If you press too hard, the branch will be thicker. If you go gentle, it will not. It will be thinner. This part we want it to be thick, pretty thick, and this one also. So now here not much water in these branches, and they need to be a little wiggly wobbly. So I need to add more water here because my brush is totally dry already. So we will put some branches like they are in some mist or something, and some maybe little branches down. With more water. So here, if somebody know the name of the artist of this painting, please tell me and I will credit, because on this internet you don't know who pays and who drinks. That you can say in my country. Because I don't know, you can't find anything who is make anything. You can find beautiful pictures and really nice looking things, but people are sharing things from the other creators and do not give them credit, and that is terrible. Now on super dry, you can with so little water, you can push a bit of branches like here and there, like they are in the background. So I need to add a little bit of water because I need this branch to be darker. And you can't tell me that you can't paint this. This is so easy and so effective. Please paint with me. If you like this, you can. I'm betting you can paint this. And if you paint, please tag me. So I can comment and like your work. And now we're looking where we miss some branches. So maybe in this part and maybe a bit of like short ones, and here you can add more. And we can add this in this part where snow is. We can add some other ones. Only 2 brushes we need for this. This little one and the big one for the background. So I think this is beautiful. We can't overwork. Just we need to put a sign maybe, if you like to do. I probably will put it here. And we finished. Okay, that is all. Super easy. And please leave a like and comment down below if you like my work, and if you like this tutorial, and if you think it is easy. So we just use 2 brushes, 3 colors, and that is all. Sometimes maybe, if you like, you can add some white if you want this to be like it is snowing. So I have some spray here. I will show you this one from Tattered Angels. Glimmer Mist, it's called. So I will add a bit of this Glimmer Mist here on my painting, and just a little bit, not much. And then you can take this I have some acrylic paint. I think this is acrylic marker, and I will add a bit of snow here and there, like it's just start to snow. And sometimes I add this paint I get from my friend who moved in another country, and she gave me this, and she was paint on the glass, and I do not paint on the glass, so I using this color for adding a little bit of snow here and there, or some whites if I need. Now it's not white anymore, but maybe I can add like this. And we are finished now. So please leave a like and comment. And subscribe if you're not already. See you in the next one. Bye.